What's going on, guys? We're going to do a little bit of a live update here on the NASDAQ futures. So today, not a lot of action, right? We didn't get that 1,000-point swing from high to low or 2,000-point, intraday, just big rally and then followed by a big sell-off. Again, it's still early in the day. It is lunchtime right now, so that could definitely still happen towards the end of the day. Here are a couple of midday updates that I'm going to be looking at here. So starting from the pre-market here, we had a little bit of a run up, and as expected and as kind of called out here in Evolution Traders, we ran into that linear regression and we sold off. The majority of your better plays have been to the downside. So I've kind of been letting everyone know, hey, we're rejected at 60-minute supply, focus on the shorts. Rejected at 60-minute supply again, focus on the shorts. In each one of those hours, and I'll show you here on the 1 hour time frame what I was letting everyone know is, if you look at this hour chart, okay, and you start off with the first hour candle of the day, you can see we spiked over the 50 SMA EMA, we spiked over the 50 SMA EMA, we tagged the 50 EMA just shy of the SMA, and there's been beautiful shorts inside of these 1 hour candles. Here we are in lunch and we're starting to push higher yet again. Is this the candle that's going to break out? We don't know, right? Again, if we spike above the 50 SMA and then reject it, look for that short position again. For me, I'm not too comfortable going long until we close over the 50 SMA on a 1 hour time frame. Now let's go back to the 5-minute view and let's kind of go over those short positions that I was talking about. Now we're going to look at the 5-minute, and definitely there was setups on the 1 and 2 minute as well. But I want to show you here, if you look at the first run up and the first tag of that hourly supply, it was also a 5-minute supply at my linear regression. Inverse hammer candle, get short through the inverse hammer candle into demand. Here's a 5-minute 20 SMA play. Get short on the confirmation below the 20 SMA into your 5-minute 50 EMA. Here's another short position at 8:25 Pacific Standard Time. Loss of the 20 SMA. Short this into the 10, into the 50 EMA. Now again, whether you're deciding to hold all the way down here or you're going to take a quick scalp is completely dependent on you. Here's another short position here at 8:50 Pacific Standard Time. Lose the 20 SMA, shorted into the 50 EMA, shorted into the 50 SMA. So there's been 3 to 4 potential shorts getting short off of that rejection of the hourly supply. So make sure you're looking at the 1 hour chart and make sure you're in line with what the bigger picture is doing. Now, a lot of times traders like to just go long. Am I saying that there was no opportunities to go long? Absolutely not. But when you're in a sell-sided market, it's a little bit easier to see those short setups. And again, those short setups went 3 for 3, 4 for 4 on the day. Now, if you look at the current price action coming back up to the same area that we keep getting rejected at, this did provide a little bit of an opportunity for a long. There was some space. In this particular instance, would it have been a situation where I do go long on this particular play? The answer is yes, because we're in lunch. If we were not in lunch, I would stay completely away from that long. The reason why during lunch I would be more inclined to take that long position is because typically whatever you're doing before lunch, which was testing the 60-minute supply, getting rejected, selling off, testing 60-minute supply, selling off, you could see a little bit of an inversion of that. And again, this is the first kind of 20 SMA play that actually had space. Now remember, from our supply here to the next supply, this is a big open gap. So this had space. I'm not going to go long from here where I could get rejected and kind of just chop around. I need space. That's just a mid-morning update here. It's currently 9:15 in the morning Pacific Standard Time. We are currently in lunch during the New York session. Today is April the 9th. If you enjoy this video, or maybe you want some live updates intraday, join Evolution Traders. That link is down in the description box below. If you guys need evaluation accounts, you can use code DANTHONY. You're going to get the best available discount that's being offered through Apex and daytraders.com. Also, if you guys want to try Top 1 futures, that link is down in the description box below. They have direct to funded accounts. I just recently started trading with them, trying to pass an evaluation. So they have a one-step evaluation. They have direct to funded. But the reason why I like Top 1 Futures is because they have that Project X platform, and I love the lockout feature that Project X offers, because truthfully speaking, it saves me a whole lot of world of hurt when I want to continue to overtrade. If I find myself starting to go on tilt, I quickly I quickly click the lockout button and I can't make a trade even if I wanted to. I'll see all of you guys on the next video.